Hello class and welcome to our first lecture series on microeconomics, and I'm your instructor, Jamal Haider. A brief introduction of mine is that I'm PhD from the same Donghua University from which CIP is affiliated. This is my 8th year with CIP and my 4th semester as an instructor doing online teaching. So pretty much we have covered all those suggestions. I have included all those points which previously your classmates, your colleagues have instructed. This semester is going to be more exciting, and I would be including, of course, those suggestions that was provided by my previous students. Okay, that's a short introduction of mine. Now it's your turn. So please, one by one, introduce yourself. Let me ask one by one. We have Marco here, right? Please introduce yourself, your name, your semester, and your country.
Okay, yeah. So can everyone hear me? I guess so.
Please turn on your video as well so that we can.
Okay. Can everyone hear and see me?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah. All right. So yeah, my name is Marco. I'm from Italy and Germany. This is my 3rd semester at Donghua. And yeah, I'm just happy to start again.
Good. We have Lancelot, right? Please introduce yourself.
All right. My name is Lancelot. I'm from Philippines, and right now I'm in Shanghai. This is my 3rd semester at Donghua.
Okay, good. We have Nicholas. Please turn on your camera.
Hello. Yep. Hello, I'm Nicholas. I'm from Italy, from Milan, and at the moment I am in Vienna, and this is my 5th semester.
Good. Okay. We have Oliver.
Hello, I'm Oliver. This is my 3rd semester, and I'm studying international trade.
Okay. Venetia, right?
Hi, my name is Venetia, and I am in my 3rd semester, and I am from Indonesia.
Good, Venetia. Okay. And then we have Priscilio, right?
Yes, sorry, my webcam is not working well. So my name is Priscillo. I'm from Madagascar, and this is my 3rd semester.
Okay, good. Priscillo, right?
Yes, Priscillo.
Priscillo, okay. Then we have Natharine. Natharine Nana, right?
Oh, yes. Hi, hello. My name is Natalie, but you can call me Nana. I'm from Thailand, and this is my 3rd semester. I'm sorry for the camera. I don't have a camera on my computer.
Okay. Then we have Pavarun, right?
Hi, I'm Paran from Thailand. This is my 3rd semester.
Okay, this Parun, right? Or Pavarun?
It's Pawaran.
Pavarun, okay.
Yes.
Good. Then we have Om.
Hello, my name is I'm from Thailand, and this is my 3rd semester.
Okay, good. Then we have Rodrigo.
My name is Rodrigo. I'm from Bolivia, and this is my 5th semester.
Your webcam working or not?
Sorry?
Your webcam is working?
Oh, yes. Sorry.
We can see you.
My internet is very low. Sorry.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Good. So well, this is the class introduction. So most of you are either in 5th semester or either in your 3rd semester. Okay, so the way I have designed this course, so those who already have with my at least one or currently even doing this, having a course with me, other courses with me, so they already know that I designed this course as 10% attendance. So that doesn't mean that you log on and you go away or you log on and sleep. So there may be some quizzes, and definitely there are going to be a quizzes. There are going to be a question and answers. And of course, the third very important part is the behavior in the class. So we will talk about the behavior in our next slide. So first, back to our exam policy. So exam policy, 10% your attendance, which include quizzes, question and answer, behavior in the class. Second, the assignments. I'm going to give you 6 to 8 assignments. Assignments constitute 30% of your overall evaluation, 30%. Midterm and 30% final, right? So if you see here, %10% and 30%, 40% is in your hands. Right? So all you need to do, you need to work hard only for 20%. So don't blame me if you couldn't pass. If you have a bad day, something here in final, you still have a lot of to catch up even in midterm. So even if you cannot attend the final exam, you still can be passed because you just need to grab 20% from the midterm. Or if you fail to conduct, if you fail to take the midterm exam, then you still have chance to pass by taking final exam. Okay, so there is no excuse. Okay, either you are sick or you have a bad day or you couldn't perform well, you still have others to catch up, right? Any question regarding this course policy? We clear? Good. Oh, sorry. Now, the most important part, which I told you, the attendance is 10%, right? It's free marks, but it comes at a very minimal effort in the form of quizzes, your behavior in the class, and question and answers. So what I consider a misconduct, either class disruption. So class disruption doesn't mean that your internet problem, you have a weak internet or something. Class disruption is that you are using mobile phone during the class, right? You didn't silence your mobile phone, right? Or you are in front of screen because this is going to be recorded and you are using this mobile phone continuously. You are using this mobile phone. Maybe there is an urgent call or something from your family members. You can see that, or you can just first try to turn off your camera and then mute your microphone and then go and receive the call. Okay, maintain class decor here. Okay, and the most important part is disrespect either teacher or fellow students. So remember, we are from Thailand, from Vietnam, from Germany. We have a diversity here, right? From Indonesia as well. So asking question is not a disrespect. Asking even a stupid question is a question. I don't mind. But remember, the question should be related to microeconomics. Okay? So take care and be very careful regarding questions. No one are allowed to mock a student who is asking questions, because I consider it as a misconduct in the class. Ask questions as many as you can, but related to our subject. Okay, it's not like that, okay, whether Chelsea wins, whether there is, you know, the badminton match, what is your favorite team? So it's not like that. And the last one is use of foul language. So as I mentioned in my earlier class, I know I know you are in your teenage, and many of the students, they love to say the word start from F or start from H. What the, right? So please do not use those words. We are being recorded here, and please show yourself in a good state. We are here institution, not as a, you know, private group or something, right? And this is not a club as well. So please maintain a decorum, class decorum, maintain your, you know, good behavior according to these rules. So asking a question number of times, I don't mind. Even if you ask 10 questions, 15 questions, I don't mind. Even if after this class you have some questions, please drop me a message in our WeChat group. I would be happy to answer. Okay. So are we clear on the misconducts here? Lancelot, Poweran, Rodrigo,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Oliver,
Yes.
Yes.
Priscilla, Venetia, Nicholas,
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, regarding the course content, so the preferred course book going to be the Principles of Economics by Case, Fair, and Astor. And the second one is the Principles of Economics by Moncrief. So luckily, I got the material, so you don't worry about purchasing the books. I would be sending you the chapters which we study here, and I would be uploading it on our Blackboard and into the WeChat group as well. All you need to do, just download from the WeChat. Venetia, you want to ask some question? Okay, good. Let's move forward. Ready? Good. So let's begin. So we are starting with our chapter 1, which is 10 Principles of Economics. Basically, after this chapter, your mind is going to be open regarding microeconomics and macroeconomics. In general, the whole overall economics. And then we dive deep into the microeconomic stuff. So our today's class is basically the introduction, the eye opener. So basically know-how regarding the subject. So there are 10 famous principles of economics. But before going into that one, let's have some basic concepts in the terminologies of economics. So resource,